Assalamu alaikum all and a very good morning to you all. I hope you all are staying safe at home and doing great. It's me, your teacher, Ms. Jaziba Khurram from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistani Johar campus. This is your grade 3 English recorded lesson in which we are going to conduct a little copy work. As you all know that we have already discussed this chapter, the flying machine 1, in our live sessions, which is a very interesting one. Now moving on to our main topic of copy work, in which we are going to do some work. For that I want you all to take out your English literature copy. So let me do the countdown again. For that you need to go and grab your copies. Till then I'm stopping my countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you all are sitting with your. So the first page we are going to open is of index, and you can see the last working was my poem, my playmate, in which we only did the word meanings and word sentences. Yes, that's the only work we have done in this poem, and the rest of the comprehension we practice in the book. So no else written work has been done in literature copy of this chapter. Moving on to our chapter that we are going to work today is for the chapter The Flying Machine 1, 8/12/2020, that is today's date. Word meanings, and again we have mentioned in the next line that today's date 8/12/2020, comprehension and RDC. You can stop this, pause this video over here, and I'm moving to the next one. And yes, after that you will move on to your title page, The Flying Machine 1. You can see that I have attached this cute little picture over here, and you can attach yours. You can just make yours. I really like the way you all make your title pages. Now to move on to our next topic, which is topic words, meaning date should be written on the left hand side and CW on the right hand side. Topic words meaning will be written on the beneath the red two red lines in your copies. And for now you can see that I have made these blocks over here. You just simply have to draw one line at the center of it with blue color pencil. Words and meaning should be written with the blue color pencil. And you can see that here I have written the with a small letter, because vocabulary words or word meanings only starts with the small letters over here. So that's why we will write it with the small letters, words and meanings as well. Number 1, here I have not mentioned the numbers, but you will mention the numbers over here. Number 1, bald. Bald means with no hair or not much hair. With a person who does not have that much of a hair on his head is a bald person, just like Uncle Salim. And bamboo. Bamboo is actually a tall plant grown in hot countries and used for making furniture. So this is basically which I also told you that this is a bamboo. This is a plant that what pandas just love to eat. They love to eat these bamboo sticks a lot, and you can find them in the China as well. So a tall plant grown in hot countries and used for making furniture. Third word is tailplane. TAILPLANE, plane, tailplane. So this word means that part of the tail of an aircraft, which I already showed you through in our physical classes as well. I drawn that on the I have drawn that on the whiteboard as well, and show you that what is actually a tailplane. That tail at the end of the aircraft is the tailplane. Delighted. Delighted means feeling or showing great pleasure, means showing the great happiness. The way you it means you are liking that thing, you are very happy for that thing. So that's what delighted means, feeling or showing great pleasure. Number 5th is garage. This is garage means GARAGE, garage, a building or indoor area for parking or storing motor vehicles. Vehicles spelling should be written very properly. So VEHICLES, vehicles, a building or an indoor area for parking or storing motor vehicles, means वो area जहाँ पे you are used to keep your cars or the stuff like that, the tools and all that. So that's what a garage is. Glider, GLIDER, glider is an light aircraft that is designed to fly without an engine, just like Sami did, and which Uncle Salim made fun of. At first he just made the glider, in which he told him that no, your plane cannot fly, does not have an engine. So that's what Sami said, that it's just a glider, It means a light aircraft that is designed to fly without using an engine. Last word is beneath. Beneath means below or under, जो किसी भी चीज़ के नीचे होना. That's what beneath means, below or under. Spelling should be written very correctly of all these words. Ball, B-A-L-D, bamboo, B-A-M-B-B-O, tail plane, T-A-I-L-P-L-E-N-E, tail plane, delighted, D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted, garage, G-A-R-A-G-E, garage, glider, G-L-I DER, glider, beneath, BENEATH, beneath. It means below or under of something. Alright, then the next page you will, from the very new page, you will start the topic comprehension. Date should be written on the left hand side and CW on the right hand side. Follow all of the instructions properly. You can see that the topic comprehension is written over here with a blue color pen, blue colored ink, so that it will be easy for you to as well to copy down it properly, right? So question number 1, topic is comprehension. You know the rule. You know now I have to write it on the two top red lines. You have to write beneath it. See, uske niche, under, below it. I use that word over in a sentence as well. Question number 1, answer the following questions. This should be written with your normal pencil, with your graphite pencil. And A, part A, what was Sami drawing? What was Sami drawing? So the answer of this question actually is that Sami was drawing a flying machine. Sami was drawing a flying machine. What was Sami drawing? Sami was drawing a flying machine. B, describe Uncle Salim. Describe Uncle Salim. Answer is Uncle Salim was old and fat and had a long mustache and a shiny bald head. Mustache, spelling should be written very properly, M-O-U-S-T-A-C-H-E. The one I have showed you with the action, that what actually mustache is. So Uncle Salim was old, fat and had a long mustache and a shiny bald head. C, what materials and tools did Sami use to build his glider? Answer to this question is that Sami used some bamboo, string, a newspaper, a knife, a screwdriver, and blue paint. This is all the materials. These were all the tools that Sami used to build his glider. Again, Sami used some bamboo, string, a newspaper, a knife, a screwdriver, and blue paint. These were the materials Sami used for making his glider. E, how long did it take to make the glider? How long did it take to make the glider? Answer to this question is the glider took 2 months to build. That took a lot of time to me, but at the end he was kind of happy at the end, right? So the glider took 2 months to build. Alright, so now from the new page we have to start our work. Topic RTC, which means reference to the context. Reference to the context means what these lines have been about, who have said this to whom, why they are saying this, where are they actually referring to each other. This is what the RTC means. Reference to the context means. So you need to write the date on the left hand side of your copy and CW on the right hand side. So the question of this, and you know that topic RTC should be written beneath those two red header lines of your copies, and at the column of date, the date should be mentioned. Why I always say that mentioning date is very important, because some of the students, when I check your copies, I don't find a lot of you do that, but need to be properly maintained copy, right? So question number 3 is answer the questions about this line taken from the story. We actually have to answer this line, that from where who have said these things from the story. Let's just read it. At that moment, he heard a knock at the front door and ran to see who it was. This is why I have written down this with the inverted commas and in the blue is why, because you have to write it with the blue color pencil as well in your copy. Alright. After doing this, you will move to question part A of this Who ran to the front door? At that moment, he heard a knock at the front door and went to see who it was. I know you all know the answer, so who ran to the front door? Answer it with me. Yes, Sami. Sami ran to the front door. B. Who was at the front door? First question was that who ran to the front door? Front door की तरफ कौन भागा? Sami ran to the front door, and the second part is who was at the front door? कि front door पे actually था कौन? So the answer to this question is Uncle Salim. Yes, Uncle Salim was actually at the front door. C. What had been finished at that moment? What had been finished at that moment? Answer to this question is Sami's design for the flying machine. Sami's design for the flying machine was finished at that moment. What happened next? D. What happened next? Answer. Sami took Uncle Salim inside and showed him the drawings of his flying machine. Uncle Salim studied the drawings and said the machine would not fly. Uncle Sami जब घर आए, Sami जो है Uncle Salim को अपने पास लेके गया and he showed him his drawings of his flying machine that he was really excited about. And Uncle Salim studied his drawing, means he just thoroughly looked at his drawing. He really, with the sharp eyes, he looked at that where might be the mistakes. So he looked really carefully at his drawings, and what he found that he said that your flying machine would not fly. The main reason behind it that it was without the engine, if you remember, right? So these were the copy word that we have done for today. Word meaning, question answers means the comprehension, and the RTC reference to the context. This was all of the copy word for today. Now, and moving on to the end part of our video, in which I would like to thank you for cooperating, all the parents and the students. The way you all are doing this work in this hard times of the coronavirus situation is really appreciable, and really love how you do my students do all of the hard work they put in their work. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Keep on doing this, keep on shining like this, you all, my all shining stars. Together we can do this, together we will learn more, and get into this learning process and learn new ways of learning as well, since we have learned these two new ways of learning. Till then, you all take care of yourself. I'm signing off. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.